Nowadays, more people focusing on engineering entrance exams rather than engineering itself. In India, students prepare for engineering entrance exams from class 11th without having any idea about engineering. They don't even know whether they are interested in engineering. What fascinates them is single digit and double digit scores and the glory of IIT college life. They don't develop products or practice programming during school days to get the feel of engineering. It's not their mistake, it's the dirty business of coaching institute who snatch away all their time for the sake of entrance exams. Hence, students are unable to explore their passion towards physics, the passion towards mathematics, the passion towards technology, the passion towards chemical reactions in this world. Of course, there are a lot of science to study and inventions to made in this world. Science is beyond our imagination. We have to understand the concepts of nature, concepts of universe. There is a science that our ancient technology has better versions than we have now. Nowadays, college mainly focus on submitting assignments and scores in semester exams. After a while, they graduated and they realize that they have no passion for engineering. Research plays a key role here. Practical knowledge is very important. I hope we'll change this engineering system and we will change the world by understanding the basic concepts of engineering. In this AK Engineering channel, we are going to understand all the engineering concepts around us. Hope you will like those videos. I'll see you in next video. Until then, this is your AK over and out.